All right, how's it going? This video is an unexpected video because I thought I received something different than what I unboxed. I thought I had received my Reef gliders, and I received a second pair of the Yeezy slides. So I guess we're gonna do a video on that, and we'll resize them because they just sent me another pair of 12s. I'm assuming that I was part of their slide replacement efforts because they sent everybody the wrong size initially. They sent me the right size, so I just got a second pair of 12s basically, and I'm not complaining, you know, like free stuff is good. Free stuff is good stuff. Free stuff is the best stuff, actually. Not always, but in this instance, it's pretty sweet. All right, so there are a couple things I just wanted to point out real quick, and then we'll resize the strap. So these are definitely a different production run. There's a few things that are different. So these are the new ones that just came. The heel bump is a little more prominent. I don't know if it's coming through in the camera at all, but there's a little more of a prominent heel bump there. It's just ever so slightly risen. And then the toe box is a little more curved at the toe. It's not completely flat like the other one. It kind of curves up just ever so slightly at the end of the toe box there. And there's a little more of a toe groove. I don't know if you can see it there. There's just a slightly more pronounced toe groove on the newer one versus the older one is just a little flatter. So just some very subtle differences. Everything else seems to be relative. The sizing is the same. The strap is relative also. This one has a little bit of a kink to it, but that was probably just from sitting in the box. So they feel slightly different. Let's throw them on foot and then I'll resize them. I'm gonna give the older pair to my nephew. I just texted him and I was like, hey, I got some Yeezy slides for you. Because he actually kind of liked this model. All right, yep, let me just throw them on foot real quick and talk about the subtle minor differences, and then we will resize them. All right, the first production is on the left, second production is on the right. So the first production, this strap is a little wide for my foot. I can kind of get in and out without any resistance or friction. It's just a little too loose for me. I like that strap just to be a little tighter. But other than that, that was really the only fit issue that I had with these, is just how the strap didn't really contour to my foot as much as I would like it to. All right, so coming into the second production run, the strap feels slightly narrower. I'm still kind of coming in and out, but look, it catches my forefoot right there. So the strap is slightly narrower on the sides there. But that's about it. I don't really notice the difference with the toe box, with it curling up. Everything else kind of feels the same underfoot. So those subtle differences might just be from like different temperature in the factory when they were cooling, you know, just literally just a couple degrees can have an impact on subtle forms with foam and with plastics. But these do feel like they just fit slightly better. Do I even need to tweak that strap? I can still tweak that strap. See if I can get it down just a little more. Just a little more, but these actually aren't bad. All right, we'll try to tweak this strap just a little bit to provide some information, and examples for other people if they want to do this themselves. So I have to go in the hallway to do this so I don't blow a fuse in here because of all the lights and stuff. Last time I tried to use the hairdryer in here, I blew a fuse. All right, so one of the things that you want to do, sorry for the acoustics out here, the echo. When you're resizing a strap, you want to try to keep the footbed protected because you don't want to shrink the footbed at all or warp the footbed. You're just trying to shrink and warp this part up here, you know? So in order to prevent anything from happening to the footbed, I usually use a hand towel or a t-shirt and just kind of put it through and cover the footbed. And then you're going to want to go high. You want to go on high for this. And we're just going to hit the top strap a little bit with some heat. And it'll shrink down a little bit. And we'll maybe do it for a minute or so. And we'll see how it's doing. And then we'll do the next slide. Do them separately. Do them one at a time. And kind of check them, you know, as you're going. All right, and then a good rule of thumb when you're doing this is to put them on while they're still warm. Make sure you got some socks on because it's continuing to shrink as it cools. So by putting them on as it cools, it will kind of shrink down and contour your foot shape a little more. So I can already feel that this has shrunk down a little bit because I got immediate pressure right here. Let that one cool. Might be good. All right, let's do the next one. Yeah, I can tell it's shrunken down. It's holding my foot a lot better. This one's still a little loose, but this one's good. This one's good. It's kind of where I need it to be. It's not tight, but it has a little more. It's a little closer to the foot right here. All right, let's do the next one. All right, let's see how that one goes. Yeah, that's a little better. That one feels better. And don't be afraid to do this. You're not gonna hurt them. You know, like it's just foam. It'll stretch back out if it gets too tight. You just do the same thing, warm them back up and put your foot on and it'll stretch it back out. So this one's better. This is where I want it to be. So these are both fitting nice and tight now. All right, I'm gonna let these cool and let me go grab the Purechills and we'll do it with the Purechills too. All right, so this is the third time I purchased these Purechills. I initially got them in the 12s, in the blue, in that video. And you'll see that the strap is really, really high. I exchanged them for the 11s in this pink, this reddish pink color. And the strap was better, but the toe box was really short. So then I re-exchanged them for a 12, and the strap is high again. So let's shrink this strap down and see if I can get these to fit, because these are actually a really good slide. The foam's good, the footbed's good, the arch support's really good. They look kind of cool, so let's try to custom fit the strap. All right, we're gonna do the exact same thing. Protect the footbed, because we don't want to warp that at all or shrink that at all. And just put a hand towel or a t-shirt. Doesn't have to be thick, you just want to cover the footbed. Alright, and let's see if we can get that strap to shrink down. So you can do this with any foam slide, but one thing I did discover, and I actually discovered today, it doesn't work with UFOs. I got my mother a pair of UFOs, just the UA, and the strap was too wide for her foot. The length was okay, but the strap was too wide for her, and I was like, oh, I'll just tighten the strap down for you. I'll just hit it with the hairdryer. And I did, and it didn't do anything. So something with OOFOS is different. They have a laminate over their foam. Let me grab it. I can just show you with these. And you'll notice it, OOFOS is so soft, and it's got like a softer foam on the inside, and then it has kind of a shell laminate on the exterior. So it doesn't shrink like the others do. I'm sure if you baked them or left them in your car long enough, they would, but I couldn't get them to shrink. And she had like a heavy-duty hairdryer too. All right, so this right one's good. Look, it's not falling off. This left one is still a little big, so let's hit this left one again. All right. I'm just gonna let those cool. I ended up hitting the Yeezy slides again. I want them just a little tighter. This strap is actually really thick on these, so you might have to hit your Yeezy slides a couple times in order to get them to shrink down to where you want them. Yeah, those are perfect now. Those are fitting me perfect. Absolutely perfect. Sweet, 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 sweet. Cool. All right. These are pretty good now too. All right, these are good too. Let's see how this left one is. Better. Right one's good. Left one's still a little loose. Let me hit it one more time. All right, well, those Purechills are cooling. Let's see the final results with the Yeezy slides. All right, so these are the ones I shrunk, and these are the ones I did not. And I just hit the strap, so we'll see how much better the strap is fitting. So, non-shrink, very loose, very casual, and shrink. Ta-da! Ta-da! Yay, they fit. Cool. So, they're still very casual. They're still a very casual slide. There's not a lot of, like, hard edges on them. It's all very smooth and kind of curvilinear in its form. These are much more casual than the others, but that strap is fitting my foot a little bit better now. They don't feel as sloppy. So I am happy with these now. Those other ones were just a little too sloppy for me. They're not a bad slide, they're just more of like a wide foot oriented slide. But these are good, these are good. All right, let's see how the Purechills fit now. See how the Purechill shrunk down? All right, I hit that one again. Let's see if it's better. Yeah. In fact, that one's better than the right one now, because that left one was the taller of the two. And now that one's even better than the right one. So just keep rinsing and repeating. Just keep doing it. If you need it tighter, it'll shrink down kind of incrementally, you know, each time you hit it with the hairdryer. These are actually a really good slide. I might start wearing these now. They have a really nice footbed to them. I'm sad that their quality control isn't better with this model, and it might be because the foam is so soft. When it gets softer like that, it tends to be more malleable and heat sensitive. So I just wish my initial pair, that blue pair that I had ordered, had fit better, because these probably would have made it onto the top 10 slide list this year, but because I got a crappy fit with them, they didn't make it to the list. But these probably would have bumped the Rejuvenates off the list. These are pretty good. So that is how you custom fit your foam EVA slide strap. You just hit it with the hairdryer. Rinse and repeat until you get it to where you want it to be. So the Purechill slides and the Yeezy slides, much better now. So all right, that's all. Let's do a quick outro. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Let me know, did you get a free pair of Yeezy slides? Did they send you a pair also? I think they did. I think they sent everybody an additional pair. So I guess that's good. That's a good thing. tried to salvage their mistake, their sizing mistake. But that's a pretty expensive mistake. That's a pretty costly mistake to make, to have to send everybody a second pair for free. But anyways, that's off topic. This might be the last video in this apartment. I am moving next week. So if it is, say farewell. Say farewell to the apartment, to the shoe room. It was a good shoe room for the past year, but I am ready to move on. This apartment is terrible, so we will get to better horizons in the future. Yeah, that's it. I gotta work this weekend, so more content next week. Yeah, thanks. I'll put some affiliated links for like the Purechill slides if you're looking at getting them. But probably you already have them if you're watching the resizing video, huh? So, all right, see ya, thanks, bye. With my dull little knife. Oh. What? I am confused. So maybe this is just a resize video then. Those didn't come yet. We've got another Yeezy slide. I'm confused. So we'll make this